Well, let's run through the installation of SppDb, the personal plant database, on a Mac. I'm using an iMac here, and I've been on the web and I've downloaded the exe, the setup file, and put it onto the desktop, and it sits here. The next step is to start CrossOver, and we already have a copy of it installed in this so-called CrossOver bottle. Well, what I'm going to do now is to install a second copy and put it in its own bottle. So I'll say install a Windows application, and we'll type the name. We're going to install SPP, the caps lock's on, so SppDb, we'll call it SppDb2, and we're next going to select an installer, and for that I need to choose the installer file, and we put it on the desktop for convenience, and I'm going to drop it here. Now there's already one there, not quite sure what will happen here. It's just overwritten that earlier one, and I'm going to use this installer. My next step is to select a bottle, and I'm going to choose a Windows 10 bottle. I've not tried this before with Windows 10. Usually I would choose a Windows 7 bottle. New name SppDb2, and I'll continue, and then click unlisted application, and then continue, and then we can say install and finish. Install it. So it's creating the bottle now and then preparing the system for the application. Once the bottle's done, up pops the SppDb 4.3 installation. I'll just accept the defaults and install it, and then finish. And it runs SppDb. I'm being asked for my license key. I'll just go into demo mode. Now I can say file and open, and I can pick my documents, just expand that and go into SPP. You'll find one called sample, open it up, and here we are. You notice downloading in the image area. The file is now downloaded. Each time you move through the database, it takes a little bit of time for the image to download. So there's the image for the glossy abelia. There are two of these. We can just click here. Again, that will take a little bit of time. Now that those images have been downloaded, let's go back to the first record in the database. Notice how quickly it loads, and if I go to the second one, quickly and quickly. So there's a little bit of a lag while these do download. Let me just expand that to make a nice comfortable window. So there's SppDb installed on an iMac running in demo mode. So I hope that helps.